Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The Best Gel X is probably one of the most sought-after nail enhancement products on the market right now, and for good reason. It offers a revolutionary way to achieve salon-quality, durable, and beautiful gel manicures right at home, often in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast or a complete beginner looking to elevate your at-home nail game, understanding the nuances of Gel X application and choosing the right products can make all the difference in achieving that flawless, long-lasting finish you desire. Number 5. NYK-1 NailBond Brush on Glue, 8 ml. Experience salon professional strength with our nail glue. It's designed for ultimate durability on all types of artificial nails. Achieve a reliable, long-lasting hold in no time. This formula dries quickly and is water-resistant for extended wear. Application is a breeze thanks to the built-in fine brush. Get a quick, accurate, and mess-free application every time. This generous 8 ml bottle ensures you have plenty of product. It's perfect for all your nail enhancement needs. Whether you're using press-on nails, tips, or acrylics, this glue is your perfect solution. It's ideal for fake nails and intricate nail art. What we like? This nail glue offers a mess-free application with its built-in brush. It provides maximum strength for a reliable hold. If you are looking for a convenient and strong option for your press-on nails, this is a great choice. What people say. The glue is very strong and holds the nails securely. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a sticky residue. The brush applicator makes it easy to apply the glue evenly. Number 4. BEETLES Gel Polish 5-in-1 Nail Glue Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your nail needs. This kit provides a powerful and versatile adhesive for all your nail art projects. Experience the convenience of our 5-in-1 formula. It's designed to be super strong, ensuring your enhancements stay in place. Achieve salon-quality results at home. This glue is perfect for applying acrylic nails and securing false nail tips with confidence. Application is a breeze with the integrated brush. Get an even coat every time without any mess or hassle. Enjoy durable and long-lasting wear for your manicures. It's the perfect base for your favorite gel nail polish. For optimal results and a strong cure, remember that an LED lamp is required. Get ready for beautiful, lasting nails. What we like? This is a gel polish kit that acts as a 5-in-1 super strong nail glue. It requires an LED lamp for curing. If you are already using gel polish and want a glue that integrates seamlessly with your gel system, this is the one for you. What people say. This gel nail glue is a game changer for applying Gel X tips. It cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, creating a strong bond that lasts. The consistency is perfect, not too thick or too thin, making application easy and mess-free. Number 3. SAVILAND Solid Nail Glue Gel and Remover Kit. Discover the revolutionary SAVILAND Solid Nail Glue Gel and Remover Kit, your all-in-one solution for flawless press-on nails. Experience an incredible 14-day hold with our advanced dual glue nano bonding technology. It cures in just 60 to 120 seconds with the included mini lamp, and it's gentle on your natural nails thanks to castor oil and vitamin E. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: solid nail glue gel, a solid gel remover, a mini nail lamp, and nail sticks. It's perfect for both studio and home use. Say goodbye to difficult removal. Our specially formulated spray remover works in just 5 seconds, dissolving the solid gel glue while nourishing your nails with castor oil and vitamin E. Our products are fortified with castor oil and vitamin E, featuring a 26-free formula. This ensures your nails are protected from breakage, brittleness, and dryness, keeping them hydrated and healthy. For the best results, please read the instructions carefully and perform a skin test. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help you have a happy shopping experience. What we like? This product is a solid gel nail glue kit that comes with a UV lamp for curing. It offers long-lasting effects and is gentle on natural nails. If you want a complete solution for applying and removing press-on nails with a professional finish at home, this kit is ideal. What people say. The glue is very strong and holds the nails in place for a long time. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any white residue. The applicator brush makes it easy to apply the glue evenly. Number 2. NOVO OVO Sharp Square Toe Nail Tips. Discover the ultimate solution for a salon-quality pedicure at home. Achieve flawless, sharp square toenails effortlessly with our innovative press-on tips. This kit features soft gel false toenail extensions, providing a comfortable and natural feel. They are designed for a seamless blend with your natural nails. The pre-etched surface ensures optimal adhesion and makes application a breeze. Get ready for a durable and long-lasting finish every time. Enjoy the chic, clear double matte finish that mimics a professional acrylic pedicure. They offer a sophisticated look perfect for any occasion. These long claw extensions are perfect for creating a bold statement. They are designed to be durable and resist chipping, ensuring your pedicure stays perfect. With 15 different sizes and 240 pieces included, you'll find the perfect fit for every toe. This kit is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. What we like? These are soft gel nail tips that are pre-etched for easy application. They offer full cover for a seamless look. If you are aiming for a salon-quality full coverage nail extension at home and want tips that are easy to bond with your chosen glue, these are perfect. What people say? These absolutely look amazing, like you did acrylic toes. So pretty, with proper nail prep and nail oil after they look exactly like acrylics. I used UV gel nail glue so they last longer. There's so many sizes as well. The nail tips are crisp and the shape is so cute. Wow, I am blown away. This isn't my first time trying press-ons for toes, as I normally would use cheaper options from Shine. But these are worth the $20. You get so many different shapes and sizes for each toe. Plus these nails aren't flimsy or thin like the ones from Shine. Plus, they come pre-buffed on the inside, which in turn helps them adhere better with glue. Number 1. Super Strong Nail Glue Gel 15G. Introducing our Super Strong Nail Glue Gel, the ultimate solution for your nail needs. Get salon-quality results at home with ease. Tired of waiting for your nails to dry? This powerful formula dries in an incredible 7 seconds, saving you precious time. Say goodbye to bulky UV lamps. Our innovative gel glue air dries quickly and effectively, making your nail application simpler than ever. Enjoy a durable, waterproof hold that lasts. It's designed to keep your press-on nail securely in place, no matter what. Achieve a flawless finish with your favorite press-on nails. This glue provides a strong, reliable bond for a natural look and feel. What we like? This nail glue gel air dries in just 7 seconds and does not require a UV lamp. It is also waterproof and long-lasting. If you need a quick, hassle-free solution for applying press-on nails without any special equipment, this glue is your best bet. What people say? This nail glue gel is amazing. It holds my nails for weeks. The gel is easy to apply and dries quickly, making the whole process so much faster. I love how strong and durable this glue is. My nails have never felt more secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.